and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Tiswadi Taluka spends 3 more days without water supply. People face hardships due to water shortage. Water supply discontinued for pipeline repairs. Supply restored by Saturday evening. ...110 kilowatt conductor and 2 main transformers break down in the wee hours of Saturday. North Goa remains without power for almost 3 hours. Breakdown adds to the heat woes. Two youth allege favoritism in filling up of 145 posts in Goa Medical College. Posts advertised in November last year. RTI documents reveal that 80% jobs were allotted to youth from Sattari. SAG Goa University to survey 112 grounds in Goa. Was shocked to know the kind of resources at our disposal, says Elvis Gomes. Survey will address the problems and grievances of all sports infrastructure in Goa. And Sarvodaya Sports Club win inaugural Women Premier League T20 competition, beats Sunny Sports Club by 10 runs, avenge their men's team loss. And now the news in detail. Tiswadi Taluka spent 3 more days without water supply. People faced hardships due to shortage of water. PWD Minister Tiswadi Taluka informed that water supply was discontinued as work on repairs of water pipeline was in progress. He also informed that water was released immediately after the work was over. Tiswadi people regained water on late Saturday evening.
सुदीनबा पणजे तिसवाडी तालुक्यान उदकाचो खूब प्रॉब्लेम जालो फाटले 3 दीस कितें एक्झॅक्टली प्रॉब्लेम आसलो आनी कसो कितें आता स्टेटस कितें आहा
खरें म्हणजे पणजेत जो प्रॉब्लेम जाला तो प्रॉब्लेम न्हय तिसवाडी तालुक्याक सबंद जे उदक सप्लाय करता ती पायपलायन खंय खंय लीक आशिल्ली आनी ते तशें डिक्लेअर केल्लें की दीस आमकां तो प्रॉब्लेम जावंक शकता अशें आनी त्या खातीर लोकांक आमी पयलीं सूचना दिल्ल्यो हेचेर पूण ते काम करता आसतना आमकां जवळ जवळ 8 तास चड लागले ते वेल्डिंग काम करता आसतना आनी त्या खातीरच काल पर्यंत लोकांक उदक जे दिवपाचे ते काल राती 12 वरांचेर कंप्लीट जालें काम आनी 12 आमी उदक सोडलें 12 उदक सोडले नंतर साधारण 12 तास लागता सबंद तिसवाडी तालुक्याक उदक पावता सर सो आतां 12:01 पर्यंत सबंद तिसवाडी तालुका उदक मेळटलें.
People faced tremendous hardships for 3 continuous days without adequate water supply. Not only women, but even children were seen standing for their turn to fetch water from the wells. However, they could fetch just a bucket of water for their household chores. The misery ended on Saturday when the water was released to Tiswadi Taluka. We also asked Sudhin Dhawadikar on OPA water treatment plant shutdown. He told us that the work is in progress.
OPA shutdown घेवपाचे असले मेंटेनन्सा खातीर तेवू केला वांगडा
ते ओपा शटडाऊन जो पावसा पयलीं घेता तो तातूंत आमी इल्लो करता जशी ही शटडाऊन आसता पायप रिपेअर किंवा पायपलायन लिकेज तशेंच ओपा शटडाऊन करता आनी तेही बी काम चालू आसा ज्या कडेन लागता तशें आमी करीत आसता.
A reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
110 kilowatt conductor near Binani company at Kolwale got damaged in the wee hours of Saturday. 2 main transformers also got damaged due to pressure. There was no power supply to North Goa for almost 3 hours. However, workers of the electricity department repaired the conductor and transformers, after which the power supply was restored.
110 kV conductor at Kolwale got damaged in the wee hours of morning on Saturday. 2 main transformers at TV also got damaged due to the pressure. Parts of North Goa went out of light due to damage of conductor and transformers. Workers of electricity department repaired the damaged conductor and transformers and restored the power supply by 9 am. Temporary power was taken from Ponda power plant for Panaji city.
Our 2 transformers are stripped at TV substation, which is a major substation feeding to this North Goa and the capital city of Panaji. So when this transformer trip, first simultaneously we have observed some sparking and all. So after checking that, we have asked power grid to charge the line because it is coming from their side. So we asked to charge the line. So for charging, they require charging code. For that, this Mumbai Western Region Load Dispatch Center is to be consulted. Then we have contacted Ponda and arranged that. And by 8:40 they are given that, and we have charged the line. Meantime, we have charged Panjim around 7-10 hours from Ponda. And supply was restored to Panjim and suburban areas around 7:10, and remaining areas around 8:40, like that. 8:40 to say within 10-15 minutes, 8:40 to 9. So this is happened because of one 1-ton kV conductor snapping at near Binani, this Binani factory. The feeder was going from Panjim to Tivin to Binani's company. So due to that fault, and the conductor has snapped, it has come down. Snapped means it has decapping has taken place on the conductor, and the insulator has fallen down. So we are attending it now. Except that area, other things are restored.
A reporter from Padji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Two youth have alleged favoritism in filling up of 145 posts of patient attendance and LDC in the Goa Medical College advertised in November last year. They allege that 80% of the jobs were given to candidates from Sattari and Usgaon. The youth have requested the government to consider the applications of the candidates who have suffered due to the alleged favoritism while conducting new recruitment. Newly elected BJP government has scrapped the posts of patient attendance and LDC in the Goa Medical College. Two youth alleged that there has been favoritism during recruitment for the post of patient attendance and LDC in GMC. The posts were advertised in local dailies in November last year. 107 posts out of the total 145 posts have been given to candidates from Sattari constituency. They request the government to consider the applications of the candidates who have suffered due to alleged favoritism while conducting new recruitment for the same posts in GMC.
November paper attendance in LDC and patient attendance post kala total 145 posts. तितूंचे 120 posts Sattari and Usgaon इतून selected जाल्या. So almost 83% जे recruitment आहा ते Sattari and Usgaon. आणि Santandrin आहा just 2 out of 145, so 1.3%. So this is a total clear-cut case of we feel that it is a favoritism, and we hereby request this post we had approached to our local MLA Mr. Vishnu Suryawag regarding this, and he has assured us that this post will be scrapped, and accordingly we also request Honorable CM of this Goa. So after scrapping this post, the applicant who has applied for this post, we request that this previous application should be considered when new recruitment will become. आणि जी फुडली पळय येतली तेन्ना कित्याक लागून हे जे प्रॉपर चॅनलांच्यान तेंच्यांनी हें करूं ना त्या खातीर एप्लिकंटान जें केलें तांकां सफर जावचें न्हू. कित्याक एक एप्लिकंटाक जर हितून जर हें करतलो कोणी आपलो एडजस्ट करून येता आनी ती थंय सबमीट करता, सो तांकां सफर जावपा जायना म्हणून तितून तेणी ही एप्लिकेशनां तेंची कन्सिडर करची.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.